Autodesk Inventor 2023 has new and updated interoperability with Fusion 360. These workflows allow you to connect Inventor parts and assemblies directly to Fusion 360 for collaboration and additional workflows. Simply navigate to the Fusion 360 tab and select from Generative Design, Simulation, Manufacturing, and Design workflows. When working with larger assemblies, choose only the components you want to send to Fusion 360. Choose where you want to save the parts or assemblies inside of your Fusion team. A new browser node inside of Autodesk Inventor keeps track of all of your Fusion 360 exports. After they're uploaded, they can be opened inside of Fusion 360. These new workflows connecting Autodesk Inventor to Fusion 360 extend your design capabilities and allow for easy cloud-based design collaboration for stakeholders inside and outside your organization.